my name is Summer and I have a really fun video to share with you guys today. I feel like it's been seriously forever since I've done a video, and that's just because as my business is growing, so are my projects. Did you notice how I said business? You heard it right. I got my business license and I'm so excited about it. I think it's so cool and so exciting and I can't wait. Anyways, with that being said, as this is growing, so are the scope of my projects, and you know, I'm only one gal, so you're not going to want to miss some of the projects though that I have coming up, and they are going to be awesome. But today I'm sharing with you a project that I worked on for a very special friend. She's amazing, Caitlin. She's a mother of 3 and she's staying super busy. She's also in grad school, and she is going to become a licensed therapist. So today we're going to be making over her office space in there. Right now it's just kind of a getaway, a place where she can study and be quiet away from all of the kiddos and work on her degree so she can bring clients into the space. So this space, we want it to be really calm, super relaxing, you know, an inviting, peaceful space. So I'm excited to share it with you guys today. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I beg you to please help out your girl as I try to grow this side of my business as well. And please subscribe to my channel below to see more awesome, fun DIY and interior design videos like this one. Check it out. Let's cruise on over to Caitlin's office in Hermosa Beach, where the beach and the sunset service such a big inspiration for this project. How beautiful are these sunsets? Caitlin first showed me her office space, and I thought it was a great little space for her to work in. It was a little bit dated and, you know, kind of mishmash of furniture, and we needed to liven this place up, make it feel peaceful and calm and inviting, in a place where when she brings clients in here, they want to stay a little bit longer and they feel at ease and they feel peaceful. And so we just needed to like brighten it up, freshen it up, and make this space cozy for her. At first, Caitlin was a little uncertain to the overall design that she wanted to see in her space. She gave her full trust into me and was like, "You do you, girl. I love what you do." But one thing was for certain that she loved was this painting that she purchased. It was a very watercolory, kind of ethereal vibe. So based on that painting, I came up with an overall mood board for the vision of her space. We knew we wanted to incorporate her children's artwork in a fun way. She also had purchased a desk and chair to go in the space, and we wanted to incorporate an existing cabinet. After all of these projects, I've been painting so much, and this is my favorite paint by Sherwin-Williams, this Duration paint. It just makes the job so much quicker. I got this like kind of creamy, warm, blushy tone because I didn't want things to be too like little girl in there. So check out what I do. So I've got it painted, but I'm not too certain how I feel about it yet. I can't tell if I love it or hate it. It's looking very, very, very peachy to me, which I wanted warm and ethereal, but maybe just too peachy. So I have a solution. I have some other paint here that I have from another project. It's more of like a creamy, warm tone. I'm gonna add some of this and do that watercolor effect and see how it works. So I've got my sponge here, and I'm just basically, it's really hard to see this on camera, but I'm just kind of working in some of this taupe color into what I rolled on the walls, the peachy kind of a tone. But it was too peachy, so this is saving me. I love the dimension that it's creating, and like you can see, now I went over it with like our other peachy and a dry brush and some water and another sponge, and I'm kind of getting that effect I'm looking for. I forgot my tripod today. I'm here today in Caitlin's space, and Drica's helping me today. I painted this office space last week, and as you can see here, we were trying to go for this like ethereal watercolory kind of a vibe in here. but I'm not real pleased with how it came out. It's a little too orange and peachy for my liking. So today Drica is here and she's gonna help me, and we're gonna do like a really pretty kind of pink and a little more muted of a color palette here. So check out what we do. Caitlin is a busy mom of 3. Not only is she in grad school, but she's also a mom of 3 beautiful little babies named Finn, a little boy, and 2 little girls named Elle and Lila, and they made this beautiful artwork, and we wanted to incorporate this in the space in a really fun way. So I really like to personalize people's spaces by, you know, bringing in some elements that are super special to them. Caitlin is a mother of 3 and she is in grad school to become a therapist, and this is going to be her sanctuary, her office space. But we wanted to bring in some elements of her children. So we got some cool frames and we framed up some of her kids' artwork that I think is so cute, and I can't wait to get it up on the walls. I found these frames on Amazon and it came with this awesome template that made it so much easier to hanging these up, because I've done a few of these before and it's a real pain in the butt to get this all spaced out evenly. So I'm super excited that I found this one with a template, and I can't wait to go. It's gonna look great. No space would be complete without a little bit of custom artwork. Originally, I thought I wanted to create like a custom abstract art piece for Caitlin's office space, but that kind of wasn't her thing. I really don't want to be the designer that pushes everything on everybody. I want their space to feel like them and a reflection of their space. So I shared with Caitlin this website called Society 6. It's pretty cool. You can get custom framed artwork and pretty affordable. We found this amazing Big Sur photo that was super sentimental to her, and we incorporate it in the space and it looks beautiful. So if you know me well enough, then you know that I love to finish off my projects with styling a little bit of pieces from Goodwill. You cannot find items like you can find at Goodwill. There's so much junk there, but there's so many treasures and so many unique pieces that you just can't find at retail stores like Target or West Elm. There's custom little ceramic pieces and little things amongst all of this junk, and look what I found, these little treasures that I can hang little plants in, and I'm so excited. Therapy is in session. Come check it out! So Caitlin really wanted to incorporate like bring some of to, you know, I can't talk. So Caitlin really wanted to, we really wanted to personalize.
Did we get out of here?
No, it's okay. Really fun project to share with you guys today. And I feel like it's been so long since today I'm doing a makeover video for you guys that